You're not into it. Dude, there's like a blue from the candles.
Oh my god, that one's like dead.
Is it really? Fuck. They need to hurry up. Oh my god, they're all like... No, they're all still lit. I'm gonna throw up. Are they parked?
Those two are dead.
Completely?
Yeah.
They're still lit though. Oh god, I'm gonna be okay. I need to like not...
I think it's my birthday.
I need to like not look
Is
at
it
you.
recording?
Yeah. Oh fuck, is that the... This is so funny.
What if I stood over here and blocked the light?
I don't think...
It's not helping.
You can't flip the lights then. Oh fuck, I'm scared. I can hear... Is that him? Oh my god, they're dying. Fuck, hurry up, Adrian. They're so dead.
I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry, Adrian. Adrian, I feel so bad. You have no idea. Oh my god. Adrian, I feel really, really bad that I was acting like a total bee, but I needed to surprise you.
Here's your cards from us.